Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Today in this video, I'm going to show you where your screenshots are saved on a Mac. If this helps, please consider subscribing to this channel. So, first of all, open the screenshot tool, and to do that, normally press on your keyboard, Command, Shift and 5 together. It will bring up the screenshot toolbar. From here, normally you have to click on this Options option, and here you will see Save To. Here you can see that this is the folder where my screenshots are going to be saved. So you will see normally desktop here. On the other hand, if you want to change the location, normally click on this other location. And here you will see your finder. Choose the folder where you want to save all of your screenshots. If you select the choose here, then all of the screenshots are going to be saved in this folder in future. And that's all about today's video. Now you know where all of the screenshots are going to be saved after you capturing them. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.